So let's look at a numerical question of electrodischarge machining. So in this question, we are given with the machining which is electrodischarge drilling process, and we are drilling a hole of 10 mm square, and so 10 by 10 mm square, and the thickness is 5 mm. We are given with brass tool and kerosene as the dielectric fluid. The value of resistance is 50 ohm, capacitance is 10 microfarad, V naught supplied voltage is 200 volt, discharge voltage of the capacitor is 150 volt, and we want to find the time for machining. So my energy will be half C into Vd square. So I have calculated it as 0.1125 joules. So my TC, the time for this charging, will be 693 milliseconds. So I have used this formula minus RC ln of 1 minus Vd upon V naught. My power will be W will be half CV square. So half CV square upon the time. So I have just divided the energy by TC. I have got the power as 162.3 watts or 162 kilowatts, 0.162 kilowatts. Now I need to find the material removed, which is I am going to use the empirical relation 27.4 into power raised to 1.54. So my material removal rate is 1.66587 mm cube per minute, and my machining time will be directly the total amount of material which has to be removed, which will be 10 into 10, the area into the thickness. So area into thickness will be 10 into 10 into 5, and so my machining time will be the total volume to be removed upon the volume removal rate or material removal rate. So that will give my answer in 300 minutes. So I have got the machining time. Let's look at one more question. So we are given with a square hole to be made of dimensions 5 into 5 into 5 mm. We are given with brass tool and kerosene as the dielectric fluid. The resistance is given, capacitance, the supply voltage is given, and discharge voltage is also given, and we need to find the machining time. So the process will be, and I first find the energy, I then find the time for discharge, and using the energy and the time for discharge, we find the power, average power. Using the average power and the empirical relation, we used and get the material removal rate, which will come in mm cube per minute. Now I have the total material to be removed, that is the dimensions of the hole are given, and I have the material removal rate Q. So I just divide the total material removed divided by the removal rate. That will give me the total time. So it is 181 minutes or 3 hours. And let's look at one more question which has very much similar nature. So my hole has 10 mm diameter, thickness of 5 mm, and it is made in HSS sheet, so high speed steel sheets, and surface finish is 20 micrometer. So let's look at the understanding of surface finish. And supply voltage is 220 volts, discharge voltage is 150 volt, the resistance value is 50 ohm. So my capacitance is missing. That's the observation you should make, and the machining time is to be found. So when we are using the capacitance value which is provided, we are using that capacitance value to find the energy stored. But when we are given with the surface finish, there is a chart provided. So that chart looks like this, in which a curve is made. Here are the energies. So here are the energies, and here on the top there is surface finish. So either on the axis we have surface finish, and on the other axis we have energy. So looking at that surface finish and the line of point of intersection and the perpendicular direction will give me the energy. So from there we can directly find the energy from the chart. Now we can directly use that energy and find the value of capacitance, because the energy will be half CV square. The voltage is already known, energy is known, so we can find the capacitance value. Now we use the capacitance and resistance value and the voltages value to find the charging time. Now we have the energy and the charging time, so we can find the power. From the power and the empirical relation, we use the material removal rate, and since we have the total material to be removed, which is the whole cylindrical hole, and the material removal rate is known. So we can find the machining time by this formula. And the machining time also comes around 3 hours. So we can see that for a small material removal of only a 10 mm diameter hole and thickness of 5 mm, we can do this by drilling operation in our conventional machine in a very small amount of time, in 5 minutes or 10 minutes only. But the same process is taking around 3 hours, and hence a very long high amount of energy also to do this machining on electro discharge machining equipment. So that's the main observation you should make. So we'll stop over here. I have given enough introduction and mathematical modeling for some unconventional machining processes, and mostly still the unconventional machining processes are yet to be developed. The mathematical formulations are not very simple. So we'll not go into more details of other unconventional machining processes as of now. So we'll stop over here. Thank you.